That was my new openings tune. I hope you liked it. I made it especially for this tutorial because this is about a very cinematic trick that you can also do in Blender. So it's the in-camera Dolly Zoom Effect that is made famous by Alfred Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg. So the camera moves in and zooms out at the same time. So put some dramatic music behind it. Yeah, we can do that in Blender, easy. This is the camera. You know how to animate the camera. Maybe you didn't know, but you can also animate the focal length. So you put the camera in front of a character, let the character just, be, and then make sure that there's also something in the background. And, to really sell it, you can also put something else in the background. So from a distance, it looks something like this. And if we go to the camera, if you zoom out a bit, the effect is more clear. Right? Put some dramatic music behind it.